Utah is known for having the most slot canyon hikes in the United States. If you're unfamiliar with slot canyons, they're narrow, deep canyons that twist through sandstone, limestone, or other rock formations. Formed by water erosion, these canyons are characterized by high, narrow walls. Some slot canyons may require technical canyoneering skills, but Furniture Draw is an easy hike. This trail can be found about 1.4 miles down Buckhorn Washed Road if you start at the north end, near the Wedge, or 26.8 miles if you start from I-70. You'll see a sign that will direct you to a small dirt road that takes you to the trailhead. Considered an easy out and back trail. You'll be through the slot in about a mile.